We are at the ASUS booth at the Consumer Electronics Show 2025, and we are looking at their hero product, the Zenbook A14. This is a device that's going to bring Copilot Plus PC and AI to even more customers in Australia. It's actually made from ceraluminum. Now, this is ASUS's very own material. It's a type of ceramic. So the characteristics of the material is it's tough, it can resist scratches and fingerprints, yet it's very light. And according to ASUS, it is 3 times stronger than anodized aluminium. Now, one attractive feature of the Zenbook A14 is it is quite light. It actually weighs less than a kilo, up to 980 grams depending on the configuration. And it's also quite thin, as you can see. So despite it having that lightweight and thin design, it still has a lot of power under the hood. So in terms of looks and style, I think ASUS Zenbook A14 has nailed it. Normally, opening a laptop, you actually have to hold it down to open up the lid, but the Zenbook A14 is so balanced, you can open it with just one finger. Now, under the hood is the Qualcomm Snapdragon Hexagon NPU, which can offer 45 TOPS. So, in other words, in plain English, it has the grunt and the power to run Copilot Plus AI. So despite its lightweight and its thin design, you're still getting all the power under the hood. The AI on board, obviously Copilot Plus PC, enables so many features and functionality, helps you improve your efficiency, helps you improve your productivity, and ASUS has their own story cube and their own AI features as well. So in general, if you're looking for a computer that's going to offer great looks, great design, but also tremendous power and performance, the Zenbook A14 really delivers. Another great feature of the ASUS Zenbook A14 is the battery life. We already told you that there is a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor on board, and not only does that provide the power and performance, but it also provides tremendous efficiency. And from that efficiency, you'll get 32 hours of battery life. That's one of the longest battery lives any ASUS laptop has offered. Now, on the connectivity side, despite it being so thin, there is still room for a full-size HDMI port, 2 USB-C ports, and a headphone/microphone jack as well. And on the other side, there's even room for a full-size USB-A port. The Zenbook A14 also has a dual fan design to keep things cool, to maintain that high performance. It also has Harman Kardon tuned speakers on board, so you can get Dolby Atmos, so your movies and games sound amazing and look amazing on the OLED screen. The ASUS Zenbook A14 also has this gorgeous 14-inch OLED screen, 1920 by 1200 resolution, running at 60 Hertz. Now, there's room also for up to 32 gig of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of solid-state storage. Now, on the security side, there is also adaptive lock and multi-person detection, so the computer can actually tell when you've actually stepped away and locked by itself, and also knows then when you've returned to the laptop as well. The Zenbook A14 also has a minimised 1-bar hinge, so nothing gets in the way of that great screen, and also has an enlarged touchpad, so it's easy to move and scroll around the system. So that's the ASUS Zenbook A14. A beautiful looking computer, great design, incredible power and performance, and due to be released in Australia this March.